Oh my guys, network is just bad. Yeah, good morning. So I don't know, the network is just terrible these days. I think a lot of people have complained about it. I don't know why. So we're just gonna do. We just need to manage um gold. I already have a buy on gold since yesterday. Around where was it? Yeah, around here. Around here since yesterday. So we're targeting up here. I even want to go in on another buy. Yeah, I even want to buy again there. Stop loss. Just well, let's just wait until we see a 3 minutes confirmation for a buy. I'm trying to get the link shared. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, guys. Oh, see my face. I'm just waking up. That's it. Just waking up. So I'm sharing the link now. So just hold on. Then we'll come and do the analysis for gold and euro and euro. Euro has been messy these few days. She has been very rough. Euro has been very rough. So just hold on, guys. I'm getting the link shared to all the communities. So just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. There's an entry on gold here already. I don't know what. If I was early enough, I would have just put in a small position there. Then wait for the main move. Yeah, so we're ready. The network is just terrible. So we might experience some lag, but anyhow it is. Let me just go straight to the point. I want to buy gold now, sir. Although this is the main entry, that fair value gap was the main entry. Stop loss was supposed to be below those areas. But I'm going to be going in like a small position. Then wait for the main move to come because I know the main move is gonna come. So I've already done the analysis on gold. The direction is quite bullish. Direction is very bullish. Or instead of buying, let me just wait for my setup. Let me just wait for my setup. So let's do a top down analysis. So we see top down analysis, the weekly time frame. We are rejecting here, we are rejecting this fair value gap again. So it's kind of in the middle. So we see price moving, pushing up. I think, as I said earlier, I think it's going to go and fill here. That's the target. He wants to fill that. He wants to fill that fill that gap. He might feel it and continue going up, or it might feel it and start dropping down. But let's just watch for anything that happens basically. So we're already proceeding up on the 4 hour time frame. This is the target that we have in mind for gold to hit. So that's the target we have for gold to hit. Then now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the hourly time frame, we have this. We have no fair value gap. We have all these areas are targets. Even up to here, there are also targets that we expect price to go to. So unless it wants to do a drop today before continuing up, this will be the target. It will drop here. And if we want to have a drop today, like if we want to drop, we'll have to drop there. Then we'll have to continue back up. That's if we want to have that drop. But how do we know if we're gonna get that drop? It comes from the internal structures here. So we have to look at the structure and see if we're going to get that drop. So what is going to give us that confirmation for the drop? Confirmation for the drop basically is going to be when this area is taken out, when this block is taken out close below it. Then we're looking for cells towards this block to just tap inside there. But what I would like to see basically is if we can get a buy, it will be very nice. So we can just continue and go and fill here. Although I've been buying gold since yesterday, so I just closed my position out. I closed it last night. So closed it last night. Gosh. So Euro USD, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD has been quite the mess. It has been quite a mess for some few days. Although this is the target, as we said, we've marked it out as our target, mark here as our target. So unless we want to go up, then we'll see here as targets again. There's a fair value gap, so we might be targeting there as well. So, but let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, why are there so many lines? Why are there so many lines? So on the daily time frame, so we can actually go up here, but if price starts to suggest something lower, maybe all this block, this is a block, this is another block, whatever. I don't know why I don't like calling them all those popular name. I just like to see the way it is. So basically, this other block might reject price, might cause price to reject, and we are going to see something like that in the smaller time frame. Then we take it down. So that might happen, or we might get some push above in the higher time frame. Then we continue here, or maybe before start dropping down. But let's go to the lower time frame to get the main gist. So on the lower time frame, throughout this week has just been ranging. As you can see, throughout the week has just been ranging because this is where the week opened. It has been going sideways, which is quite weird. I don't like I don't like to see it do that. I don't like to see it do that. So I don't like ranging markets at all, man. I hate ranging markets. So I'm seeing something here. I'm seeing something around here. I'm seeing a fair value gap around here that we could go up to. So I think unless we get a structure that goes below here, then we can start looking for sales. Or if it happens on the lower time frame, let's go to the 1 hour. Yesterday trade on Euro USD was a win. I didn't live stream it though. I didn't live stream it because my PC was low. So but today we go again. Um, the market is ranging. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I don't like. I would have. I would have said. I would have said since we have taken out this high, they will just look for a retracement and buy. But the market is ranging, and I can't do that. So what I can do is that if we take out this high, that's when I'll look for buys. Yeah, if we take out that high, then I'll look for buys. That's even a 1 hour in hourly high. Wow. There's so many highs on the 15 minutes that have been taken out. This one I've been taken out. We used so we'll have gone in here. Um, I don't want to do that. Why do I not want to do? Well, my mouse battery is running low. Let me plug it in. Okay, so it's charging. So having a drop on euro, but I'm patiently waiting. You know why it's the average is not. Anyways, Do shit and get out of here. Okay, okay, okay. So as I said, I could start buying Euro USD inside all this fair value gap, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that now. I don't want to do that because of the ranging market. Look at it, it has been messy. So I don't want to do any. I really don't want to do that right now. I really don't want to do that right now. The market has been ranging. So if it wasn't ranging, I would have started buying here and looking to go up. But right now, the market has been ranging. So we're looking at past data for future data. You understand? So we're looking at past data. I can't just that's where like what do you call it? Narrative comes in. That's when narrative and experience comes in. Basically, when you don't just use your pattern or whatever pattern you use to trade, you don't just use it. You actually use your brain. If trading was that easy with patterns, I think everybody would be using robot trading. But robot trading is profitable for some time, but obviously it's not profitable for long. That's why everybody's not using it. Because if it was something that was making you money steady, obviously everybody will use it. Why would you even want to learn how to trade? You just save up money and get a robot. So it doesn't work. It works for some time and it stops. It doesn't work. That's my theory. So you have to use your own sense. So as I said earlier, I would have started buying here, this place. I would have started buying here, but I'm late, and I just want to wait for my own setup. So my own setup is going to form regardless. So my setup is when we take out this high. When we take out these highs, I wait for retracement and I buy on the 3 minutes. Oh shit! I just saw something. We have already the entry has already happened here. That was it. Nope. Because we had the close here, then the fair value gap. Okay, the fair value gap was already been tapped before the close. So let's just wait. So let's just wait for gold to play out. Um, Come on. Okay, is that's a gap? That's a gap. That's a gap. That's a gap. Not a fair value gap, but it's a gap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. So I'm in. I'm in. I saw a gap here, although it wasn't a fair value gap. It was just a price gap. Just a price gap. So that's where I got in here. So that was where I got in. I got in here at that gap. So my stop loss is basically below these lows. Yep, somewhat around that area. That's where I got in stop loss there. So we're moving as a slap. So as you can see, let me show you. Although instant profit doesn't mean it's going to hit take profit here. So that's one thing about trading. I went into instant profit doesn't mean we're going to hit take profit. So that's it. Let me show you guys. $16 profit just like that. So let's see how SCI goes crazy, man. That was fast. Thank God I saw that stuff, man. Those are the kind of things that you miss. Well, I saw the gap and boom, got in. So we are in, we are in, we are in, we're in. Okay, that's a great. I'm updating the free group. So I'm updating the free groups on the trade. I'm updating the free group on the trade. So we're almost at risk free. Once we hit 1 to 1, once we hit 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio, the trade is good. The trade is gonna be risk free. So once we hit 1 to 1 risk no, or reward ratio, the trade is going to be risk free. That means, what do I mean by risk free? It means that I'll be dragging my stop loss and putting it here, which means that 1 to 1 simply means that if I was risking $40, which I am right now, and if I'm risking $40, if the trade goes in profit of $40, that means that's 1 to 1. That means I'm getting 1 to 1 of what I was risking. So that simply means I can move my stop loss to break even, which means that it has gone really high in profit. So there's no need of me losing money again. So I'll just raise my stop loss and be relaxed. So even though it hits it, no problem. At least I didn't lose anything again. So that's what we're going to do now. So it's not yet 1 to 1. I'm not yet buying Euro USD. I told you guys why I'm not buying Euro USD yet. So, or else, if it was normal market, if the market has been stable, I would have bought it. But the market has not been stable. The structure right now is looking quite really messy. So that's why I said I needed this high to be taken before I can buy USD. So it's just so yeah, let's just wait for gold to play out. Still moving in profits. As I said, I'm almost at 1 to 1. The initial risk was $40. Yeah. So right now we're some profit of like, I don't know if you can see it. That's like 26 or so, 27. So once we get to $40 profit, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Yeah, so I'm going to move my stop loss, meaning that there's nothing to lose. So that's trade management. So right now, my stop loss even deserves to be around here. So the target for gold is very, very high. Then I can see very nice. Let me even set the take profit. So I'm going to set the take profit now. You guys are going to hear the sound. So take profit is 2664.4738. It is not here. Did you hear the sound? That's the take profit, and that is about $110. So $110 take profit, fixing $40. As you can see, I don't know if the light will allow you to see. Yeah, that's the TP. We're moving already. So once we hit $40, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. So that's just how it goes. So trading is not stressful, it's not hard. The funny thing is that I started buying gold since yesterday. I feel like I would have left it to run. There was, but anyhow, maybe next time I'll leave it to run. I was buying it this is yesterday, but I didn't leave it. I don't like holding trades more than 1 day, so that's why I closed it, and it's still going on. So maybe today, if that happens, I'm going to leave at least one position to run till the next day. So right now, that's what I'm waiting for. So as I said, if you're trading a small account, I don't think you'll be able to trade the gold setups, because you can see my stop loss right now is $40 with a 0.07 lot size. So that is 40 divided by 7. That means your stop loss, if it was 0.01, this will be your stop loss $5.7. So that's 40 divided by 7. Yeah, that's $5.7 stop loss. 5.7 times, let's say naira 1,750 or so. That'll be like 9k, 10k stop loss. You see, okay, the number for the number for the take profit, is 2664.73. 266.473. I'll drop in the comment section. 266.473. So that's it. Euro is still, we're still waiting to see what's gonna happen. There's still, and for those that have not gotten in gold yet, this is another opportunity for you. Yeah, this way that's another opportunity for you if you have not bought yet and you still want to help. The thing is that, guys, if you are taking a trade on the live stream with us, you have to join every single day. You have to take every trade every day, because there might be a day where we're going to take a loss. And whenever we take that loss, maybe that's the day you join. You join today and we take a loss today. Then tomorrow we take a win and you didn't join tomorrow to take that trade. That means you have missed a set of a trade that is supposed to cover your loss. So that's why, if you are joining, make sure you join every single day. That's why you see I don't give things like signals, because signals people easily miss it. You understand? So the person giving the signal might be profitable, but you taking the signal, maybe the only time you just open the group and you take the signal, it's a losing signal. The next day that they drop another signal, it might be a winning signal, but you are not available to take the trade. So you end up accumulating losses, while the person giving the signal always take profit, is making progress. So you have to join every day so you can get the most out of it, because losing days will come, not just profit. Losing days will come, so you have to be active. So you have to take every single trade. I don't know, I don't want to check GBP. I'm not trading GBP for a while. I'm just trading Euro USD and gold. GBP USD is looking exactly like Euro USD right now. It says that it just looks the same bullshit range, the same range. So just calm, Let's see what goes. Gold is in profit right now, but it might hit stop loss. I don't know. If it does, no problem. We come back again and do the shit. We do the shit again. That will always come out profitable. There's nothing to fear. Oh, so do. So that's a GBP USD. Sorry, let's go to where we're actually taking a trade on. As I said, GBP USD, everything has been ranging. So I just waiting for that range to get destroyed, because right now I can't take a trade here. No, this is not me. I can do it. I would have bought here if it was a normal, if the market conditions were normal, I would have bought, but the conditions are not normal, so that's why the condition is ranging now. So it's already 10 o'clock. If you have any suggestions for any pair we should check out before we end, can let me know. Oh, yep, because I want to go and eat. I'm very hungry right now. Okay, so I guess there's no other peer suggestion. There's no peer suggestion. So that will be all for today. Let me see what's going on gold. Okay, gold has retraced back to our entry. So let me put the main entry. So this is where we are right now. Let's just watch. Let's just watch. So my stop loss basically is on the 15 minutes. I put it below here, that block. That's because price can actually do this. It can actually come down here and tap that fair value gap small. So you don't get stopped out prematurely. Your stop loss will be below this block here. That's 2643.062. So that's where my stop loss is. So I don't get stopped out prematurely. Then the target is already stated. So that's just it. Then we'll be back tomorrow, Thursday, right? Tomorrow is Thursday. So I'll see you guys. Thanks for joining.